In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do puts on Thinkorswim. We'll walk through placing a straightforward long put order so you can express a bearish view with defined risk. First, open the platform and go to the Trade tab. At the symbol entry box, type the ticker for the stock you want to trade, for example, AAPL, and press Enter. The options chain will load for that symbol. You'll see a list of expiration dates, and when you expand one, the strike prices appear. Calls are listed on the left side of the chain, and puts are on the right, which is where we'll be working. Click the expiration date that matches how long you want the trade to last, and it will expand to show available strikes. Shorter expirations decay faster and cost less, while longer expirations give the stock more time to move, but will be pricier. Now, in the puts section, browse for the strike price you want. As a quick guide, in-the-money strikes cost more and move more with the stock, at-the-money strikes balance cost and sensitivity, and out-of-the-money strikes are cheaper but need a bigger move. Also glance at volume and open interest, and prefer tighter bid-ask spreads for easier fills. When you've chosen a strike, click the ask price on that row. That action creates a buy order ticket, highlighted in green, at the bottom of the screen. In the order editor, set the quantity, remembering that one options contract typically controls 100 shares of stock. Next, choose your order type. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. That helps control slippage, so consider starting near the mid-price between the bid and ask. A market order will attempt to fill immediately, but can execute at a worse price, especially in fast markets. If you selected a limit order, enter your desired limit price. Then choose your time in force, day, which expires at the end of the session if not filled, or GTC, which keeps working until it fills or you cancel. Once everything looks right, click Confirm and Send. Review the confirmation window to verify the symbol, expiration, strike, side, quantity, price, and estimated costs. If it all matches your plan, click Send to place the order. That's it. You've submitted a long put order in Thinkorswim. From here, your fill will depend on price and liquidity, but the order is in and ready to work. Remember, with a long put, your maximum risk is the premium you pay and the position benefits if the stock moves down before expiration.